So I guess it's one of those things. I made a slight error and omission here. I've got a meeting right now. I even dressed up. It's the third time this year I'm going to do so. So I've realized that the meeting from right here in Davidson, North Carolina, my meeting and the question I need answered is in Cape Town, South Africa. From some interesting research, funnily enough, not just this world map behind me, it's literally 8,000 miles away. So I could either drive down to Charlotte for 30 minutes and hop on a 19-hour flight, or I can stay here in Davidson because I've got to pick the kiddos up soon enough, grab a cup of coffee here at the office, and get a question answered. So, tough choice, decided to stay here in town, and I decided to see how long it's going to take me whilst drinking that cup of coffee to get my question answered live in Cape Town, South Africa. What do you think? We're going to find out right about now.
Coffee's tasting good right about now. We'll see how long it takes to get our answer.
Only serve to compound the pain and suffering that Tyrone's family and friends have.
Now listen, I thought if I dress up in the virtual world, I've got to dress up in real life too, huh? Too many places to go and too many people to see. Let's see what we can get done.